Hello everyone, I want to share a card that I made for BA Crafty Girl Valentine's Challenge here on YouTube. She asked that we made a card, a tag, or a tree box using non-traditional colors and use at least 2 or more stamps. So this is the card I came out with. Originally my idea was to make a yellow card, but then for the image I used green to color the little girl's outfit, so I want to bring that green out. So I added a green sheer ribbon here with this green ribbon on top of it, like a checkerboard ribbon on top of it, and then a button, and then add a green stick pen here and then some green button there. And these flowers are from the Michael $1.50. And then this paper is punched out with Martha Stewart's heart punch all over the page. Well, not all over the page, it's a border punch with the corner. So for this sentiment I use I think this is from Fiskar, and she said true love, and then I cut it out and then raise it a little bit like that. Then the image is from Sarah Kay, and I just use Prismacolor to color the image and use Copic to color the skin, because I don't have a lot of Copic, so I use color pencil. So I hope you guys like what I made. I did not do anything for the inside. So this card I'm planning to give it to my husband because it's not too girly. But I hope you guys like it. If you guys haven't checked out her challenge, please do so, because it's still open until February 2nd. February 2nd is the deadline, you guys. So if you guys still want to participate, check out her giveaway challenge. I'll link it down on the description box too. So thanks for watching, everybody. Take care for now.